Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Answer: out, yes. Check this out for lots of helpful information regarding AirPods service at Apple. Specifically, as to your question, concerning one AirPods Pro damaged by water, if one or both of your AirPods or charging case need replacement because of physical damage, you can point 17 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your AirPods come in contact with liquid, including sweat from a workout, wipe them down with a dry microfiber cloth. To dry the case, place it upside down with the lid open. If your AirPods become damaged after they get wet, you can chat or talk with us to order a replacement. 21 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Regardless of what other people say, you shouldn't put your AirPods in a bag of rice to dry them. This isn't any more effective than the open air and can lead to bits of rice getting stuck in the various ports and holes. You should also avoid extremely hot or cold temperatures. 12 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
After you've washed your AirPods, there is no real way to take note of the damage done, especially if they won't turn on. Charging the case is not the way to go. The worst part is, you may not be able to give Apple the serial number of your AirPods. You'll find the serial number on the underside of the lid on the case. 25 February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
That happened because the date you purchased AirPods is irrelevant to whether you are eligible to purchase AppleCare. AppleCare is sold for iPhones, iPads, Macs, etc. It is not sold for AirPods. AppleCare Plus is available for AirPods Pro. 6 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.